This video is a full body down on the mat yoga practice designed for toning. So get ready not just to tone your body, but to also practice mindfulness with me and start experiencing the benefit of toning specific target zone. My name is Anne-Marie. There are timestamps down below to facilitate your journey with this. And please pause if you haven't already read the disclaimer, do so. And let's start. Centering and warm up. Now just get situated, take a comfortable seat on your mat. Maybe you are sitting on a chair right now, or maybe on your bed. I like starting with just closing my eyes for a moment. If that's not comfortable for you, just keep them partially open. That's all good here. And just start breathing and be aware of your surrounding, yourself. How you're feeling right now. Ask yourself, how are you feeling? Are you all right? And maybe making an intention for the day. Maybe for the practice, for this moment, for a little longer. When you are ready, please start laying down on your back. Just take your time here. And slowly just dive your head last down, your shoulder relaxing. Fingertip drawing towards your heels. And just pay attention to yourself. Please leave a comment and let me know what you're interested in learning and how I can help you. Toning and focus. Start wiggling your toes, your fingers. Little exercise them. Wake up all your joints, your wrists, maybe your ankle. Little circles. Maybe starting to involve your knees. Just moving your body a little bit more here. And let's fold one leg, bringing one knee towards us. You can grab your pants if you want. You can just grab the leg. You don't have to bring your knee completely towards your chest, just towards you. And once it is where it's comfortable for you, maybe we can resume wiggling our toes and fingers a little bit and just take a moment here just to breathe. Maybe rotating the knee if it feels good to you. Just little circle, don't force anything here, and anything that don't feel right for your own body, just skip over. Now stretching your foot forward, your heel, and leaning your leg down. Let's switch side. Grab your other knee, and it doesn't have to go where the other one went. Our sides are usually very different from one another. So maybe just a little hug for this one. And if your hip don't want to turn, then you don't have to. You can skip the little circles here. And smile. And just press again through your heel forward. Push, and laying the leg down slowly. Now let's yawn our arms back and forward. Now bend both knees. And a little bit feet maybe hip distance. And let's start doing a little windshield wiper. And if you don't want to be in motion, You can just stay put here. I like turning my upper body, my head and my opposite arm away from me when I do that. So my knee goes to the right, my left arm just stretched to the left. And I like keeping a hand sometime on my belly just to feel my breath. Of course, you can add a little motion to this. When you're ready, just give your knee a nice hug, maybe raising your feet up a little bit and bicycling a little in the air, but only if it feels good to you. And if you want to work and tone your belly a little bit here, start moving your feet forward just a little bit. You'll feel it on the lower abs. You'll feel it on the sides too. Involve your hands a little bit. There. Now just push through your heel, just like we did earlier. Of course, go at your own pace and feel free to add your hands for a little coordination here. So just push one side, push the other side. And when you're done, just exhale your feet down on your mat. Take a moment here to absorb what you just did, how it feels, are you okay? And slowly find yourself into a seated position. This is a time just for you to make friends with your own body and with yoga. Breathe and strengthen. Feel free to sit on a pillow or a yoga block here if you want to have a little height. It's easier on the knees also. Or you don't have to go crisscross. Make sure you're comfortable. So here I'm inhaling my arm up and exhaling my shoulder down, my arms down. So the inhale's on the way up. The exhale is lowering, like let's say my shoulder. Inhale, I'm opening my chest. Exhale, slowly your arms down. You go at your own speed and you don't move more than you should. Your arms don't have to be halfway. They can be lower. And gently on the shoulder, let's rotate our arms a little bit and reverse. Now go with your own breath here. So if your arms get tired, just place them on your lap. That's good too. Don't worry about it. And keep rotating your shoulder, making circle like a ball with your arms. You don't have to go very high. You choose the height that works for you. Then shrug your shoulder up, arms back a little bit, loosen your neck here. We use our neck so much in yoga and every day. We need to make sure this all relax. I tend to hold a lot of stress right in my neck, shoulders. I don't know about you, but this helps me personally. Just a little movement here, gentle rotation. You think as you move. And remember to smile, smile. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button down below to get notified when any great video I make comes out. Some gentle seated twist. Again, your hip can be a little bit higher on a pillow if it feels better for you. Place your hands to your side. Slide one arm down if it accommodates you and try to keep the upper shoulder open. So you can skip that and go to the next chapter. If that doesn't work for you, that's fine. We all have different bodies, different needs. And let's go. Big exhale down. Remember to breathe, and we're gonna switch sides here. So make sure you feel grounded here. If this makes you dizzy or anything, just stop. Just stop. You can focus on one point, on a little speck on the floor if you wish. I'm just massaging my foot because I managed to cramp it. You don't have to do that. Yeah, I could still feel the cramp, and I'm smiling through it. And that's why my foot's got this, I'm flexing it that way. But take a nice soft twist here. You exhale on the twist, you inhale some height. And other side, same thing, inhale, exhale into your twist. You can spend a little bit of time there, just keep on breathing if it feels good to you. Again, little shoulder and little side to side. So remember, we're toning a little bit of everything here. So this is adding a little fun, a little seesaw to it. And if you want to add to your seesaw a little twist, it's up to you. You've got that option right there. And here I'm just taking my hand to the opposite knee just to add some fun to it. So make the fun that works for you, that's safe, and that adds a little bit. Now just loosen up everything. Remember to smile. Take a moment to see how you feel right now. How's your body feeling? Your legs, your arms. Maybe closing your eyes, maybe not. And try to get inside yourself and see what's going on there. Hello. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And big inhale. And exhale. Just breathe here. Take a moment just to be. Please do me a huge favor and leave me a thumb up down below. This helps YouTube distribute my videos to people like you who can benefit from them. We're going into our abdominal muscle toning. So here I'm tightening my stomach and we're going back. So I'm placing my hands just to, not to just smush slam my back down, but just to slow the process. Nice little arch too if it feels good to you. Now you want to slowly just start rocking. Very gentle movement. It's good for the tricep too, by the way. So you get a little arm workout out of that. Place your forearm on the mat, and when you're ready, just lower the rest of yourself down. And you take a moment to be comfortable, maybe pushing your heels straight, your arms fingertip, and just hug your knees one at a time. Little rotation. We are revisiting our little hip maintenance here. Please use the share button and share this video with anyone that you believe could benefit from it. And let's prepare for bridge. That's good for your tummy, your quads. It's relaxing, it's very grounding. So let's, you're still on your back. Let's say you are. Just bring your feet until your ankles are under your knees. And maybe hip distance apart, your ankles, and when you're ready, you can just lift your hips up. So I like taking my shoulders and tucking them one at a time under myself too, to give me more room, but it's totally up to you. And feel free here to put your pillow under your lower back towards your coccyx, your bums, and hug your knees nicely. It's a nice counter position here. Little rocking side to side to add a little fun, a little limber into our practice. Again, a little more rotation of the knees if it feels good to you. And let's get in our happy baby. So here you don't have to hold your ankles. You can hold your pants by the anywhere you want, except of course you don't want to touch the knees, but touch whatever, grab whatever works for you. You can grab your big toes also, and here to I'm doing it right now. Here we go. So just little organic movement here. Whatever feels good to you. You don't copy me. I get a little playful when I do happy baby, so I'm moving. Anything that feels fun, nice, slow movement, all mindful. I would like to thank my Patreon for your wonderful, wonderful support. Without you, I wouldn't be able to make and continue making all those free videos for everybody. So thank you, Patreon. If you aren't a Patreon fan, it is a community for the laid back mat where we can talk. Members participate in the creation, giving suggestions, sometimes even picking the music on the shorts. We have a lot of fun, so feel free to come and join us. The link is down in the description. Now exhale yourself down and get ready for Savasana. We're gonna do our little corpse pose here to relax. This is our little prize here for having spent so much energy. So I'm placing one hand on my lower tummy and one on my chest just to feel my breath. Just to feel my breath. So inhaling, filling up my belly with air, continuing with my chest, and just feeling the air travel in and out of me. Just pay attention to that right now and don't do anything else. Any thoughts that are going through your mind, that's fine. Just let them go through your mind and keep going in their merry way. You're busy right now. You're gonna have a little rest. And you feel free to pause and just stay there as long as you wish. And when you're ready, just turn on one side. Take a couple breaths and sit down. And thank you so very much for watching. And namaste. Thank you.